Our today's lecture is gonna be about the phrasal verbs. So let's get started. Well, phrasal verbs are verbs plus particles. That means either a preposition or an adverb which have got a spatial meaning. Phrasal verbs are also called two-word verbs or three-word verbs. Sometimes phrasal verbs have got idiomatic or figurative meanings that are different from the verbs. So here are some phrasal verbs like take off, look up, go off, bring up, give up, sort out, get along with, come up with, get rid of, etc. So all these words, all these phrasal verbs have got a spatial meaning. So we have got two types of phrasal verbs. The first one is called separable phrasal verbs. So separable phrasal verbs are those phrasal verbs which can be separated by using an object between the verb and its particle. For example, the separable phrasal verbs are fill in, bring back, give up, clean up, take off, write down, figure out, hand in, etc. It means that in between these two words we can use an object. For example, she took her jacket off. Right here, actually the word is took off, took plus off, and this off is a particle and this took is a verb. Between these two words we have inserted an object, her jacket. So that's called separable phrasal verb, which can be separated. On the other hand, we have got non-separable phrasal verbs. So non-separable phrasal verbs are those phrasal verbs which cannot be separated by inserting or by using an object between the verb or between the verb and its particle. And these non-separable phrasal verbs are run into, look after, catch up with, come in, break up, stand up, get over, and so on. So these verbs are called non-separable phrasal verbs because they can't be separated. For example, she ran into an old friend. Right here, ran into is called non-separable phrasal verb which can't be separated. Here a question arises: either this particle is a preposition or it's an adverb. The answer is whenever there is an object after the particle, it functions as a preposition, and whenever there's nothing or whenever we use the particle at the end of a sentence, it's called an adverb. If I use this sentence like this: she took off her jacket. Right here, if I say she took, for example here, she took off her jacket. So here we have got an object after the particle. It functions here as a preposition, and whenever it comes at the end of a sentence, whenever there's nothing after the particle, it functions as an adverb. So it was all about our today's lecture. So thanks for watching.